Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Creality K1C Not Extruding. If you want to fix the issue, then these are the possible things you can try. As you can see, I am on the official website of Reddit where the people spread their opinion and solution regarding this. Here you will see. One people says that I have the same extruder on different model. There is a button you need to push down on to have the filament enter. The button is located. It is usually a lever at the top. I don't know the printer in particular. The manual shows the procedure. So you need to find the lever at the top in your printer. That button you need to push down on having the filament enter. So this is the first thing you can try. Here you will see the another people says that I had the same problem. Make sure you close the lever up top. If you did that and it still does not work, show the filament fling. Aggressively throw the tube until you hear a click. That did it for me. Chances are like me you put the filament in without wanting to damage the machine. But net craves violence. So the second thing you can try this. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.